it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away.